Yes, ma'am.
All right. If you both truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth. Mr. Smith? Yeah, this is between you. So there is a Lamonte, right?
Right. Which
Okay,
I
so
don't know what it means.
I don't want to hear anything that happened between Mr. Smith, you and Lamonte. All I want to hear is what happened between you and Dante. Okay? So don't bring anything up about the other person because that's not relevant here. All right. All right. Start from the most recent event and then work backwards, please. Go ahead, sir. Mr. Smith, and I'll hear from
Okay,
you.
on December the 15th, around 11 p.m., Dante came to my house and shot through my window in my residence where I live at.
All right, so I'm going to ask you one dumb question, okay? Anybody say, okay, all right. And then go ahead. What else has happened?
And on before that, he had came to my house and he had threatened me and said that he wanted to fight me. And not only that, he had also brought a weapon, the same weapon that he used to shoot in my house. Yeah.
So when did he come there and how many times and roughly when would he come there and say he wanted to fight you?
This was on, I believe, December the 8th, if I'm not mistaken.
First part of December? Anything happened in November?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so tell me why it is you think that he came by and he shot at your house.
Because I was on Instagram Live and I had or not, like they don't give you a right to shoot into somebody's house. Like, you know, he was almost killed me. The bullet actually missed me like 4 inches.
Okay. Well, I haven't seen this man LaShawn. Well, on the paperwork it says Mike, so I haven't seen Mike, and until this year, since my brother just got out of jail, and that time I did go over his house because I am allowed to carry. Yes. So, yes, I did have my firearm on me, but I actually went over there to enjoy the company with my brother because that's the house that my brother's. The house is actually in his name. That's what my brother was telling me, and I've only been to the house one time. So after that day, he actually told me in his house that he wasn't comfortable with me in there. So I told my brother, "Get your stuff and let's go." Put my address on Instagram, put my number on Instagram. And then I had random people calling my phone talking about that, oh, you about to die because you shot my cousin's house up and da 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 da. And I'm like, how'd I do this? When did I do this? Then he calls me and say that, oh, I seen you, I seen your brother, just come shoot my house up. But I called my brother. My brother had just got off work. So, and honestly, I just recently got in contact with LaShawn himself only because my brother just got out of jail. And I feel like he's saying it's me because he just admitted that he's talking crap about me on Instagram. I restricted him from my Instagram page. I didn't file anything about him but it is on YouTube. My address, my house is on YouTube, phone number. I got random people calling my phone from everywhere, threatening me and stuff. But I don't talk to this man. I don't do nothing with this man. His whole issue is with my brother because my brother left him.
That's not true. I don't care about your brother leaving me. So, period. Like, your brother is a crackhead.
So why would you say? So why would you just say?
Hold on. Talk to me, Mr. Render. So why would he say that you shot at his house?
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Like, why would you say that you seen me come to your house and shoot your house up?
No, I'm asking you why you think he would say that, Mr. Render. I mean,
he just admitted that he's on Instagram. He said that he's on Instagram talking about me and my brother. So if I'm the topic of the subject, then that's probably why he said that. But then again, he talks about so many more people. So who's to say that he said with me, my brother, whoever else he argue with? Like,
but why would he say you shot at his house?
Who knows? I don't know.
Mr. Smith, anything you want to say?
Yes, Judge. He knows exactly what he did, and I really want this protection order. I already filed a warrant out against him and his brother because he actually right after the shooting happened, he was texting me on Instagram telling me that he hate niggas like me and all of this, and I have proof of that also, Judge. And I also
Objection.
want him to pay for my windows and everything that he damaged.
So neither one of you.
Objection. Objection.
So, what's your objection, Mr. Render?
Okay. First of all, I went to your Instagram and basically made a voice message first, asking you why you got these folks, why you put my Instagram, why you put my number and address online. That's why I came to your DM and said I don't like people like you because y'all got.
And you know why I put your number?
You gonna share your screen and show me any messages? What's your?
Yes, I am.
All right, hold on, Mr. Render. I'll do this real quick.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. While you're trying to do that, I'm gonna let these other people in real quick for the 2 o'clock hearing. So stand by. I'm gonna put you back on mute while I call this count. All right. If you're
you want me to go on?
yes. All right. If you're here for the 2 o'clock hearing, turn your cameras on and stay on mute. Cameras on, please, and stay on mute. Cameras on, stay on mute. All right. Shanti Bass, let me see your face, not your ceiling. Shanti Bass, let me see your face, not your ceiling. All right, when I call your name, take yourself off mute and please answer here. Octavius Weems, Jamal Richard, failure to appear. Shanti Bass, Eddie Arnold.
Yes.
Ms. Bass, Eddie Arnold.
Right.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Bass. You swear affirm testimony you're about to give is the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right. So Mr. Bass was served, but he didn't show up. You swear everything in your petition, you put your hand back down, ma'am, is true and correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So has Mr. Arnold contacted you since December the 9th?
Yes, he has.
Has he contacted you since December 27th?
Yes.
All right. You your safety?
Yes, I do.
And you're asking this be put in place for 12 months?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So Ms. Bass, if you do me a favor, place your email in the chat. And if you happen to have an email from Mr. Arnold or an address, can you also place that in the chat to Ms. Free so that we can send him a copy of this order? You have his email?
Yes, I do.
Okay, yeah, if you place his email in there too, once I sign the order, Ms. Free will send you a copy and also send him a copy. Okay, I'll put this in place for 12 months. Once you put both those emails in the chat, you can go ahead and leave the meeting. Thank you.
Okay.
All right. Latricia Howard. Jawera Milliner. All right, failure to appear. Annette Timothalam.
Here.
I forgot that here. And Johnson. I don't show where there was service on Johnson. Kia to Johnson. I don't show where there was service on the respondent. And it's about to expire. Did you go through Safe Families?
I went through the family division.
So were you two in an intimate relationship? Have you dated? Were you two in a relationship?
No, she's just like a jelly.
She hasn't been.
Okay.
Okay. So you just need to refile. And I don't know if it's not a good address or maybe you didn't put a 2 to 4 hour time frame. Feel free to come back in and refile. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. Happy New Year. Stay healthy and safe.
You too.
Cassidy Olson.
Here,
Yes,
Your
Your
Honor.
Honor. Gordon Olson here for the petitioner.
All right. And I got John Russo. Has been served.
Your Honor, I believe he may have been served yesterday because in the last 24 hours, he's contacted mutual friends to try to get them to intercede on his behalf, specifically referencing this filing.
Who do you think he was served by?
I think he was notoriously served. He lives with his parents, and his parents probably received it. He has contacted third-party friends, specifically referenced the TPO, and asked them to try to intercede on his behalf. I just wonder if the marshals haven't filed it yet.
All right, so what we can do is give you a reset date for that, so we can get them proof of service. And if you have an email information for him, we'll email him the reset notice.
The problem is going to be is the TPO is going to expire, I
No,
believe.
it'll stay in place.
Will it? Okay.
Yeah, I'll extend it since you say he was just hired, because I mean, that's a possibility.
Okay. We do not have an email address for him.
This whole thing,
Not-
you don't have any kind
Not
of
this,
email?
yeah, not that kind of relationship where we had an email, just a phone number, and an address.
So what we can do, Mr. Olson, if you want, is we can send you the reset notice, and then since you're a lawyer, I'm assuming, right?
Yep.
You can send it to him and file a certificate of service about the date, and then once you. So, Mr. Olson, if you'll place your email in the chat, and Ms. Freed, what's another date for this reset for him proof of service? And Mr. Olson is going to send the reset notice to him and file his certificate of service once he sends it to him.
That date will be the 18th at 2:00.
That'd be fine.
Okay, so if you place your email in chat, Mr. Olson, we'll send you the reset notice. And we're not going to send the sheriff's form since you claim that he's been served.
Yeah.
And just like I said, same thing. Make sure you file a certificate of service and everything in the case. And we'll see y'all on the 18th at 2 p.m.
All right. Thank you.
Sydney Brown. Failure to appear. All right. All right, we'll get back to you guys. Go ahead, Mr. Smith. That was it for them. So go ahead if you want to share your screen. Go ahead.
One second. So, this is,
No, so all I see is, hold on, don't sit yet. Okay. Stop.
This is one of
Hold on,
the
hold on. This says little Polaroid. Who is little Polaroid?
Oh, wait, hold on.
I mean, what is it you're wanting to show me?
He's trying to show you the message that I sent him after the folks was calling my phone.
Okay, so
And-
what you think he's trying to show is what? Hold on, Mr. Smith. Well, you're trying to show me a message he sent you on, is it Instagram, right?
Right, correct.
Okay, pull that up. But how do you know what? I mean, is it little Polaroid?
It's like the camera,
Yeah.
little Polaroid.
Okay.
He also said something, he said, I hate niggas like you, like.
Yeah, but you
this
got to
hate-
show it to me, Mr. Smith. How do you
Okay,
know?
can you see, Judge?
Okay, I can now. Hold on a sec. What's the date? Because
This was on December the 15th.
okay, hold on.
It's
Okay,
the
'cause
same
my
day
little-
that my
hold on,
house got shot up.
the little square from my screen.
Oh, I don't know why it printed like that. Hold on.
No, hold on.
Judge.
Can
Let
you
me-
move that? Can you move that little square?
I don't know if I can. Okay, I don't know if I can move that. Let me go back
Is
and,
this a screenshot?
yes, ma'am.
All right, just go ahead. Yeah, let me read.
Oh, actually, I can just share it with you on my Instagram. Hold on. Oh, no, I can't do that. One second.
You want me to screenshot it and share it for you, Your Honor?
No, I got it. Thank you. Okay.
Once again, I'm reminding you, I have two screens. I'm looking at my second. Go ahead.
I've been here since what? Since 10 o'clock this morning.
Hey, well, I didn't come on until I took over from Mr. Cooper, so hold on.
Yeah, the guy
Hold
said
on.
he was in for you.
Yeah, he filled in.
Okay.
For me.
Okay, Judge, here's one of the videos. Like, you
Hey, hold
sent me a recorded message.
Okay, can you play the message or no? Wait a minute.
Yes, I got to play it, but I just wanted to verify the date for you. This
Okay.
was like, my house got shot up at 11. He called my house. He called my Instagram right after that and said what he said. So I know that, you know. And also, let me show you this.
So what was after that?
This one right here.
You see where it says that you got people calling my phone? That's why I
Yeah,
called
but
your
you
phone.
can't verify that I had anybody calling your phone.
Yes, I can. I can screenshot it. It's yes, I can.
Okay, well, that still don't make it right for you.
I
You know,
can.
like,
No,
it don't. They don't give you a right. And Judge,
Wait, hold on. Stop
argument.
arguing with him, Mr. Smith. Keep that back up there so I can read it.
Right.
Like, don't argue with one another.
All right.
Hey, hold on. So all of this is from Mr. Renders, what you're saying, Mr. Smith, right?
Yes, this
Yes,
all
ma'am.
from me on the
Okay.
gray side.
Okay, let's see. Okay, is there more?
Yes, Judge.
No.
Okay, go then. If there's more, go ahead and go to the next one.
Okay. And this was when he was texting me with the recorded messages and stuff. I might have to play it on another screen.
Okay,
Another
is there
device.
more? So I've seen this page. Is there more messages after that last?
No, I haven't been in contact with him, Your Honor.
No, ma'am.
At all. Until
Okay.
these people, random people from Mexico, New York, DC, Oregon. I had one call me from Nigeria. It's threatening me like, oh, you can't come here, you can't stay there. I know where you stay. Your house is green. He put your house on YouTube, and we're going to pull up tonight. And like, honestly, I should be in fear in my life. I live by God. So
honestly, yeah, you don't live by no God. Come to somebody's house making problems and creating problems.
Okay, hold on. Let's stop arguing with each other. Please,
Can I say something, Judge?
stop. No,
this
not
is what
to
he
him.
does, Your Honor, on Instagram.
No, this
day.
is to you, Judge.
Go ahead.
This is for you, Judge.
Go ahead.
Lord.
I want to say that last year he was also arrested for battery on someone and terroristic threats, and you know he shouldn't.
Okay, well,
to assault no one else.
Mr. Smith.
What does that have to
I mean,
do
you
with
laughing,
anything?
but you actually have a warrant for your arrest. You need to turn yourself in. It's not
I
funny.
don't have a warrant for my
think nothing
arrest.
about it.
Oh, stop, Mr. Smith. Stop.
You see, Your Honor, he does this every day on a daily, and this is what excites him.
Let me ask you a question. I see where his message is. Okay, and you say he shot your husband, but
No, he said
Yes,
he
you
know
said.
I did it.
yeah. So, but Mr. Smith, why did you put stuff on social media about Dante Render?
Judge, this was after he shot my home up. You know, I didn't care about his
So
brother.
let me ask you a
leaving me.
question, Mr. Smith. So hold on. Let me ask you because I want to figure this out. So you say he shot your house up.
Yes.
So the first thing you did was go to Instagram and make a video.
No, I went to Instagram to let you because I was on Instagram Live when he came to shoot my house up.
Okay, hold on.
I was on Instagram Live,
So then, what
and
day
they actually saw.
when did you call the police, though?
I called the police right after this happened.
So where's the video where you were on Instagram Live when the shot happened?
I don't have that video, Judge, but it's somewhere out there.
I mean,
What?
It's somewhere.
It's on YouTube with all my information on it. If I had the link, I could just send you the link through your email. Because I'm a music artist, I do music, and people die out here by putting their address on the internet. That's actually a public safety hazard. So for LaShawn, well, on the paperwork it says Mike. So for Michael to put my phone number, address, and color of my house out on it says Mike on the paperwork. I apologize. Yeah, that's what he does, Your Honor. But yeah, so it's like basically since my brother broke up with him, he's been mad, upset, and I have been the talk of his life, me and my brother. So whatever happened to his house or however it happened, he just instantly just say, "Oh, he did, he did." He's mad because my brother left him. Lamonte is his boyfriend. I'm not gay at all.
Judge, I don't want to talk to him no further. I want to talk to you. I just want the protection order for him to stay away from me. Nobody knows where I live but
I don't mess with him, Your
and
Honor.
his.
So, but you filed one against Lamonte also. So how'd you file one against Lamonte?
That's his boyfriend.
I filed a protection order against him as well.
That's his boyfriend, my brother Lamonte.
No,
he actually
he's
paroled
not.
out at his house, and my brother's name is on his house. That's why I know you stay at. That one time I went over there.
Hold on one second. Let me see something.
Lord have mercy.
Okay, so in Lamonte's, you also say your house was shot at. Let me see.
It's probably the same thing on both paperworks.
No, I said that they was together, Judge. Yes.
So then,
That's what I said.
okay, I'll read it. But how do you know who shot your house?
I saw them.
Okay, that's what I'm just trying to figure out. Okay, were you watching out the window and saw the car drive by and somebody hang out the window and shoot?
No, I was looking out the window and I saw them actually physically walk up to my house and shoot my house up. Yes, I did, Judge.
So they were walking, they weren't in a car. So which one did?
Right, they parked their car on the side street from my house and they came.
She said,
which one? What'd you say, Judge?
And which one of them actually shot?
The one that's on the screen right now, Dante Render.
So what did Lamonte do?
Lamonte has been putting his hands on me and he choked me out and he told me he's gonna kill me.
But on the day of the alleged shooting, he did.
No, he didn't do anything that particular day. No.
so how was?
Okay. All right. Anything else, Mr. Smith?
No, I just want these protection orders to be granted because I fear for my safety and my family's safety. And I've done everything
Objection, Your Honor.
as far as to talking to APD and, getting warrants secured for both of them.
So who's taking the warrants, you or APD?
No, APD has taken their own warrant, but I am going to take a warrant on Lamonte for choking me out, and it's on video as well.
Now you putting some on Monte now.
Okay.
Because he's not here. You see, Your Honor, can I have a table?
All right, go ahead.
Okay, so if Monte was here, it probably would have been, oh, Monte shot my house up. But since I'm here, it's I did it. Now he wants to take out a warrant on Lamonte because Lamonte's not here. Ongoing. So it's just ongoing. So, Your Honor,
Judge,
honestly, the way I feel,
Your Honor,
I feel
this
like
was done
if
prior
you was
to coming to court today.
Can I have the floor, Your Honor?
So when did APD allegedly tell you they took out a warrant, Mr. Smith?
This was last week.
So the words that came out of their mouth is they took a warrant.
Yes, they for Dante Render, yes.
For Dante Render. So why when I went down to APD, the after trying to figure out everything was going on, they said it was nothing going on with me.
All right, so
because I actually go check up on my stuff. I have nothing going on with me. Your Honor, I actually just got done paying my bond off.
So
actually, Judge, I have the proof. If you want that, he has an active warrant for his arrest.
The detective's not here.
So here's the thing: is that I guess I just don't understand. And I say young folks. I don't mean that in any
You
negative
go ahead
way.
and say it. Go ahead and say it because they're
Wanna-
crazy. Young folks.
Want to put everything on, social media. I mean, some of these young folks
Right.
want to see people
Judge,
fighting and they
but Judge,
videotape it and live stream it. I don't
Excuse me.
understand.
Judge, can I say something?
Well, hold on, no, because
The reason why
I'm
I
not
put it on
finished.
social
I'm not
media
finished.
because I was in
I'm
fear.
not finished. I'm not finished. Young folks will see a group of people fighting and they'll videotape it and live stream it. And then
And
one of them calling the police to try, but they're laughing and encouraging people fighting and tearing stuff up and you get mad at one another and you put people's address and I don't know if y'all have paid attention to the world today.
this world is messed up.
It is not. It is just. It's not just.
This world
the
do
way it
not
used
play
to be.
fair. The world
I mean,
do not play fair. And
there's
the
too
fact that
many-
my
there's too
address
many-
is on the internet and I have random people calling my phone that I don't even know of, Your Honor. It's like
Judge, can I
could
say
honestly
something?
fear
please?
So hold on.
come on.
I just don't understand why. I mean, I don't know if you're whatever. Social
Help me
media,
out, Your Honor,
whatever,
please.
But look, I just don't understand why you put all that. You didn't let the police handle it and stuff. Because now,
Help me
let's
understand.
say he did it, and he didn't file a counterclaim, but that's dangerous for you. Also, I get it. You say he shot at your house, but it's dangerous for you to put his information out there now.
Judge, there was after he had shot at my home. That's
No, I
when I put
understand.
his because
Mr.
they could have shot me, Judge, and nobody
Mr.
would have
Smith,
known who
Mr.
shot
Smith,
me.
I'm not saying that didn't, but why did you put his information on social? Why didn't you just let the police handle it? That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Because after he shot at
And it's
my
like
home,
you're not
I
even
wanted
sure
people
who
to
did it.
know.
You have so
I
much
didn't put
stuff. You
his
got so much
address.
stuff
I
going
put
on.
his
You gotta,
name up there. His name up there. Judge, can he please be quiet while I'm talking? That's so rude.
I just want
You
to
know,
see.
I didn't put
I want to
his-
see the video. I want to see the video. I want to see this video. And if the video, you should hear the gun go off, right?
Right.
Okay, so I want to see the video.
APD, they got the video, but
No,
I
you-
don't
you-
have it. Me
you put it up on
personally,
your
they have
social
way
media.
more evidence than I have.
Okay, Mr. Smith.
he don't want to pull it up because the evidence of him putting my address
Ma'am,
and name
Judge,
everything
I
is going
don't
to be
have
right
the
up under
video.
that video. That's exactly why. Pull it up, LaShawn.
I don't have it, Judge. You pull it up. You the one who's telling her I did it.
Oh,
You
so
pull it
here's,
up.
I want to see the video when you
I'm
were
sorry,
screaming,
y'all.
shows him that where I hear a gunshot. That's what I want to hear.
Judge, I'm
Mr.
showing.
Smith,
I
if
can
you
show you.
streamed
I
it
can
live-
show you pictures of my home being that my window that I had to repair and all the damage I had to do to my walls and all the repairs I had to make. I want this order granted, and I want
But let me,
police to pay
Mr.
for
Smith.
everything that he done.
So when you were streaming live, there should be a gunshot, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I mean, you stream live. It's on your phone. So pull up your Instagram account. I mean,
I
Thank
don't,
you.
Judge. I didn't save it to my phone, but I'm an
It's in your
Instagram
archives.
influencer. And
Everything's in
you
your
know,
archives.
it's several people that screen recorded, what happened. Like I wasn't even really talking about him. Like I was just saying you a right to come to
I
somebody's
have
house.
something,
Like
Your Honor,
nobody know where I live
from a-
at, Judge.
Mr. Render, hold on. Okay.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
So you were able to give a copy of the video to the cops, but you don't have a copy, Mr. Smith.
No, I don't have the video. No.
I mean, help me. So if you're streaming it, didn't it post on your Instagram page or whatever?
No, ma'am.
So where does it go?
Well, I didn't save it. You have to save it, but somebody screen recorded it. That's how APD was able to get it because it was screen recorded. I never, said that I didn't put his name up there. Yes, I did. When you shot my house up, I put your name out there because I wanted people to know who shot at my house. And if something would have happened to me, I wanted people to know who had did it.
Why
So,
would
of
you say
course,
I did
put
it?
your name up there. Yeah,
Why would you
I
say
know
I
for a
did it?
fact you did it.
Why would you say I did it? Because Monte broke up with you. Sorry,
No,
y'all.
that ain't got bring Monte name up. We're talking about you right now.
Your Honor.
Okay.
it's basically like as if LaShawn was to if if I was to say date a person and now I hate that person and now it's like okay I'm gonna figure out a way because he said I actually have something from this Instagram page Fox 5 that says that on here saying that you're gay and you did this and that oh you having sex with your brother that's why you came and took your brother and he was like I'm going to make sure I put those N-words in jail. So this is what I feel like he's
well, where's your
up.
proof at?
Okay,
Where's your proof
all right,
at?
hold on, guys. I've got... All right, so
Matter of fact, here it is right here. Let's go ahead and pull it up because
share. Mr. Render, what is it
if
you're
the
trying
page
to
hasn't got deleted, I'm trying to find this page. FOX.
What page is this?
It's a Instagram page that when the incident occurred, they called me and was like, LaShawn posted a video saying that, oh, you're having sex with your brother. You came and took your brother away from him out his house because you want to have sex with him. And now that he's trying to put you guys in jail, he has a warrant out for y'all. And then the shooting happened. So I hit him up on Instagram like, what the fuck is wrong with you? Like, literally.
So you want to show me whatever? You're fine. Go ahead.
Right there. Can you hear it?
No, sir. You're not sharing your screen.
1 second. I'm finna share my screen, Your Honor. You see the screen, Your Honor?
Yes, sir. Just got to pull up what it is you
So
want.
bad, like they want to see who Monte is.
Uh-huh.
Who is Monte?
The nigga
That's his real name.
I was talking to, and his brother, his faggot ass brother, don't want to fuck him. His brother want to fuck him so bad. Like Monte, they want to see who Monte is.
Who is Monte? That's his.
Was that the whole video?
Yes, that's what I was sent to by this Atlanta drama page.
Did I say your name though? Did I mention you? Did I mention your name?
Oh, wait 1 second. You hear it, Your Honor?
No, sir, not yet. You got to share your screen again.
Oh, wait 1 second. Let me share my screen one more time, Your Honor.
Okay.
Like I just been the topic of his life lately.
Well, I'm gonna go back in the comments. You continue to show, man. I ain't gonna mess it up.
Period. But yeah, Luke, I didn't do that shit for clout. This shit really did happen. Like these hoes been talking shit for years, and you know, like I got tired of. I forgot where that hoe stayed at, and somebody on the live told me where that hoe lived at, and that's when I pulled up.
That's him pulling up on my.
Okay,
that's nothing to worry
I
about.
don't want to date nobody named Monte. Girl, period. I don't want you to, because when that nigga came back home from prison, his motherfucking booty hole was wider than 280 motherfucking 5. Period. Why booty hole ass nigga? Fuck you. Why booty hole? That nigga booty hole. Why then he wanted his ass ate? I ain't finna eat no ass. I ain't never even ate no reason why he didn't want Monte around me, because the brother had like he wanted to fuck me too. But if he wanted to fuck me, that's all he had to say. But see, now, Snoop, I'm finna be messy. I'm finna give you all that shit. I'm finna be messy, like, for real. Like, I was trying to goddamn lay low off this shit, but this nigga got me fucked up.
Oh, child. Okay, well, I'm gonna go back in the comments. I'm gonna let you continue to show, man. I ain't gonna mess it up.
Period. But yeah, Luke, I didn't do that shit for clout. This shit really did happen. Like, these hoes been talking shit for years. And you know, like, I got tired of I forgot where that hoe stayed at. And somebody on the live told me where that hoe lived at. And that's when I pulled up.
I'm an Instagram influencer. This is what I do, Judge. I get on live, and this is how I make my money. I talk about certain things that happen. I just don't feel like that's enough, Judge. Like, I mean, what?
Mr.
Like,
Smith,
what?
but Mr. Smith, hold on. I'm not making light of anything that's happened. But was those videos after the alleged gunshot to your house?
No.
So when were those videos made?
That was the same night that he talked about, December 15th.
Is that the night of the gunshot?
The same night that my house got shot up.
Yes, Chris. And so somebody shot at your house. You think it's Mr. Render, right?
I know it's him, Judge.
Okay, listen to me. Oh, you think it's Mr. Render, but you get on with Snoop Money Chaser.
No, Judge, this live was before the shooting. This is what I'm letting you know. This live was before the shooting happened.
You heard me on how he said he pulled up on somebody and he didn't know where.
I said nobody knew where I lived at. Nobody knew. Nobody.
Both of you. I want to hear. I'm meeting both of y'all. I want to hear and see the video where the shooting happened. That's what.
Sean. Mike.
That's what I need to. That's what I need to see. Were any of those videos after the shooting?
Michael.
No, ma'am. This was all before the shooting.
So I want you to. Here's what I'm gonna do. I mean.
And to reiterate again, the last time I talked to him, I think was 2018, 2019. I just came with this guy. My brother got out of jail because he paroled out at his house. That's how. So for a PTO, a FPO, like.
So here's what I got.
I don't have contact with this man. I don't like what?
Gentlemen.
Yes, ma'am.
I mean, Mr. Smith.
It's crazy.
Here's the thing. I mean, you want to show me a whole but so
we're waiting on the video.
Again, Judge.
You need to give me the video, Mr. Smith.
I'm waiting on the video.
Judge, I don't have the video. I got pictures of my home having holes in the wall.
I understand, Mr. Smith, but the video with them it is going to prove who it was.
It's going to show me doing it. It's going to show Monte running away.
Or not?
So, can you get the video from the police?
No. I can't because I can't do that. I mean, why do that? Why do I have to get a video to get a protection order?
Well, because
when I almost lost my life.
Mr. Smith, you have the burden of proving that this event happened.
Right. And I am, and I'm gonna prove it. I'm right now. I'm trying to get a lawyer and everything. So like he have a
you have the burden.
Like either way it goes, he's going to jail for it.
Mr. Smith, you're gonna have to stop talking over me. You have the burden right here of proving by preponderance of the evidence that this happened. And so far, all you've done is say that it happened. He has shown me videos with you saying all kinds of stuff. You showed me the text.
But did I ever mention his name, Judge?
I'm
an Instagram influencer.
Just ain't gonna let me talk for you. And you showed me Instagram messages where he says something to the effect of, "Why are you saying that you shot up the house?" It's not saying even like the other, like guy before you said, "I hit you." So that's what I'm saying, Mr. Smith. You can get a copy of that video that you gave to the police. And I've got you on mute. So that's what I'm saying. Right now, it's just, the other ones, at least I saw the text and things like that. I don't understand how you don't have a copy of the video. I just don't understand that. And this is not my first rodeo. I was police before, and you can come see you're talking. I got you muted, Mr. Smith. That's because you keep talking over me. All right. I mean, you feel free to reapply, but honestly, you're gonna have to have a copy of that video because
Don't worry, he have a warrant out for his arrest. Have a good day, Judge. Bye-bye.
Whoa, Judge, is he allowed to do that?
Mr. Render, well, you didn't want to hear the rest of what I said. Mr. Render, if you'll place your email in the chat, we'll email you a copy of the dismissal, okay?
Thank you so much. And he's about to go on Instagram right now and do more. I guarantee you, Judge. So when he does, how do I go about
Mr. Render,
recording his?
Both of y'all can file a TPO again.
Oh, I'm okay. It's his. But let me just put my email in because that's crazy.
Once you do, you can go ahead and leave the meeting. Have a good New Year. Stay healthy and safe.
Thank you, Your Honor.